How to change your Instagram email address. In this video, I'll show you how to change the email address on your Instagram account. Start by opening the Instagram app on your Android phone or iPhone. Next, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner, then tap the three-line menu in the top right corner. From the menu, select Account Center. Then tap Profiles, followed by Personal Details. Under the Contact Info section, tap your current email address or select Add New Contact if needed. Next, tap Add Email Address. Enter the new email address that you'd like to use for your Instagram account. Make sure your Instagram account is selected, then tap Next. Instagram will send a verification code to your new email address. Open your email inbox, copy the verification code, and enter it in the Instagram app. Once the code has been verified, tap Next to confirm the change. Your new email address will now be linked to your Instagram account and will replace the previous one. That's it. You've successfully changed your Instagram email address. If you find this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.